Butchers. The butcher handles the preparation of meat, poultry and fish for cooking. Cuts, trims and portions meats and fish according to menu requirements. Ensures proper storage of raw protein in accordance with food safety standards. Minimizes waste by maximizing usable portions of meat and fish. Prepares marinating or pre-cut protein as needed. Maintains cleanliness in the butchery area. Garde-manger chef. The garde-manger chef specializes in cold kitchen operations. Prepares cold dishes such as salad, charcuterie, canapé and terrine. Manages storage and preparation of cold ingredients. Designs decorative presentation for buffet displays. Ensures freshness and quality of cold dishes. And collaborates with the executive chef for menu development.